9號烈風或暴風風力增強信號喺早上7點20分發出，預料當韋柏接近香港嘅時候，本港風力顯著增強。喺早上7點，颱風韋柏集結喺香港之東南大約110公里，即係北緯21.7度、東經115度附近，預料向西或者西北偏西移動，時速大約25公里，靠近珠江口一帶。隨住韋柏移近珠江口，預料本港風力進一步上升。而家本港離岸正係受烈風影響，高地間中吹暴風，而同韋柏相關嘅狂風大驟雨正係影響本港。按照現時嘅預測，韋柏會喺未來幾個鐘最接近本港，並喺接近中午時分喺天文台以南大約50公里左右掠過。本港將會由吹偏北風逐漸轉為吹東至東南風，原本受遮蔽嘅地方可能會變得當風，市民需要保持高度警覺。天文台會視乎本地風力變化，評估係咪需要發出10號颶風信號。預料本港今日日間天氣持續惡劣，有狂風大驟雨，海有巨浪同湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊，停止水上活動。受風暴潮影響，大埔滘嘅水位今朝曾經上升到海圖基準面以上3米左右。預料本港部分沿岸低洼地區可能出現水浸。喺過去1個鐘，大老山、橫瀾島同埋青洲分別錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時85、78同64公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時103、96同埋93公里。
The increasing gale or storm signal, number 9, was issued at 7:20 in the morning. This means that winds are expected to increase significantly as Whippa moves closer to Hong Kong. At 7 a.m., Typhoon Whippa was centered about 110 kilometers southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 21.7 degrees north, 115.0 degrees east, and is forecast to move west or west-northwest at about 25 kilometers per hour, edging closer to the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. With Whippa edging closer to the Pearl River estuary, local winds are expected to further strengthen. Locally, gale-force winds are affecting offshore waters with occasional storm-force winds on high ground. Heavy squally showers associated with Whippa are affecting Hong Kong. According to the present forecast, Whippa will be closest to Hong Kong in the next few hours and will skirt around 50 kilometers to the south of the Hong Kong Observatory towards noon. Local winds will gradually change from northerlies to east to southeasterlies. Areas which were previously sheltered may become exposed. Members of the public should stay on high alert. Depending on the changes in local winds, the observatory will assess the need for issuing the hurricane signal, number 10. Local weather is expected to be persistently adverse with heavy squally showers during the day today. Seas will be high with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. Under the influence of storm surge, the water level rose to about 3 meters above chart datum at Tai Po Kau this morning. There may be flooding over parts of the low-lying coastal areas in the territory. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Tate's Cairn, Waglan Island, and Green Island were 85, 78, and 64 kilometers per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 103, 96, and 93 kilometers per hour respectively.